1. Buy high-quality 100% pure clove oil to use for tooth pain. Try to buy an organic product if you can. Only pure oil will provide the benefits you want, so don't settle for a mix. Check the label and read the ingredients to make sure the product you pick contains only clove oil. You can purchase clove oil from a local health food store or online. 2. Soak a cotton swab with clove oil and apply it to your tooth and gums. Clove oil can be used directly on your tooth to help ease the pain. Grab a cotton swab and dip one end in the clove oil. Apply it directly to the tooth and around the gum where you are experiencing pain. If the nerve of the tooth is exposed in your mouth, make sure you are extra gently in the area. This oil does not taste the best. It may take some getting used to. Try to swallow as little of this oil as possible. 3. Wait 20 minutes, then rinse your mouth with salt water. Set a timer for 20 minutes. Don't drink or eat anything while the clove oil is in your mouth. Similarly, try not to swallow any of the oil. After letting it sit for 20 minutes, rinse your mouth out with a solution of 1/2 tsp, 3g, of salt and 6 fluid ounces, 180 milliliters, of warm water. Finish with a warm water rinse to remove the salt water taste. The salt water can also help with tooth pain, and it's okay to use it every 2 to 3 hours throughout your day.